hackathon, right? Why are we doing it, right? So as a company, right, we have two or three main objectives. One is that we want to kind of bring out the creativity in you, right? So this is, you are all computer engineers, you are all computer scientists, and it is exciting. It is it's an exciting field. It's a changing field. It's a fun field, right? But on a day-to-day job, when you guys work here, you work on projects, and there's not much opportunity to be creative, right? There's not much opportunity to bring out what you really wanted to do and put it in a demonstrable form, so that you can show to the company, you can show it to the world, right, that you can do something different. So this is your opportunity to do that, right? So that's one reason. We expect as a company that hopefully from this exercise, we'll get something that we can use it as a sales tool, as a product idea, as something that we can go back to our customers and show them that, look, we can build something for you. So, hopefully your ideas are, demonstrable prototypes that we can use as sales tools. That's the other objective, right? And finally, for you, it is to have fun. We want you to have fun. We want you to bring out your creativity, your engineering expertise, right? And bring it out, show it to us what you can do, right? So we know what kind of hidden talent we have in this company, right? So hopefully that, hopefully it will be a fun event for you for 24 hours where, you get to really do what you love, really get to do what you really love to do. That is code non-stop for 24 hours, and get us something that, we can use for other things, right? So good. So, that is. No, yeah, I'm sorry. So, okay, I am Manish Madhuria. I work in the Santa Clara office, right? I am the CTO and COO. So, most of the delivery organization, that is when we work on projects, we work for our customers, we do projects for them, the whole organization, right? I help organize that, right? So that's my role. As you've probably gone through the induction and understood, Rutesh is our CEO. So Rutesh runs a lot of outbound operations, which means that he is managing sales, he's managing marketing, and a lot of financial aspects, right? So it's kind of like well divided in that form that, the delivery organization is, hopefully they work very hand in hand, right? So we do try and work very hand in hand. But these are the two main operations of our company: outbound sales, marketing, finance, etc., and the delivery organization that's mostly run by me. Any other questions about me? So I have 3 kids. I live in San Francisco Bay Area, right, and I've lived there for a long time. So, okay. So what we are expecting from, I already talked about, unleashing creativity, right? What that means is that, build something that you really wanted to build for a long time, right? And really bring out the creative aspect of computer science, right? So that is the idea that we are expecting from you. All right. The prototype that you build, right? We are expecting that it's a clearly thought out idea. It should be something that is a working prototype, right? It's not a bunch of code here, bunch of code there, etc. It's something that comes together to solve a business problem. It's a working prototype, right? It's expected that what you build will have bugs. You're not expecting to kind of take out a marketable product in 24 hours. It is expected what you build will have bugs, right? But the idea is to not focus on bugs. The idea is to focus on what works, right? And show to the team, tomorrow that what you have built at least demonstrates the concept to the level that it is, that everybody understands it, right? So focus on a few things, right? So focus on, like I said, getting to a workable prototype. Focus on presentation of it, right? So spend as much time in writing clear, testable, good code that will come together to show as a prototype, but spend also equal time and attention to when you come together tomorrow and show to the team, right? Make a presentation, right? Spend enough emphasis on that to make sure that you say the right things, you make the presentation interesting, fun, and effective, right? So spend some energy on showing the demo and showing the key elements of why your prototype is important to this hackathon and to yourself, right? Okay, some tips for hackathons, right? So, this is all about your little team, right? So how well your team works together is important. So you need to split up work. You need to find roles in the team. So maybe somebody is a tester, somebody is a developer, somebody is a designer, somebody is working on UI, somebody is working on a certain module, etc. So split up the work, right? Don't re-engineer. Don't reinvent the wheel. So if there is something, we have rules. Kinjan has put rules that you can't lift outside code, but what that means is you can use external APIs, you can use external code, not to the extent that you are taking the whole code from somewhere and using it as is as your application. But the idea is there is a fine line. Don't reinvent the wheel, as in don't repeat something that something is already done, right? If there is a logger that you want to use from outside, use it. But like I said, don't copy the whole concept, right? So don't reinvent the wheel. We'll be feeding you enough, so eat food, right? Take small breaks, and it seems like a lot of time, but it will not be a lot of time. So you'll have to really don't sleep too much, right? The idea is to work 24 hours and get this out tomorrow, right? So that's gonna be important. Any other questions? So no? Okay. So what we're gonna do now is go over the rules. Yeah.
Right guys, so very simple rules. You all know that you can develop anything, native mobile application or communicating with any other devices or anything. So there is no limitation there. Of course, whatever you use, please don't use something some others concept as Manish we'll definitely reject that, and we'll come to know that this is something and or if we will not come to know, others will come to know, like other teams. Third thing is use third party APIs, jars, whatever you want to do, that is fine, but just inform that this is what you have used, so at least we know that this is you have taken a help from third party APIs. Show enough demonstration, that is important. So please keep in mind that don't give us incomplete work, incomplete parts that may affect your results. UI quality is really not important, but UX is something that we would definitely prefer, because most of the mobile applications nowadays and even websites, UX is really important. So this is it. These are the criteria that we have set. Of course, idea innovation is really important. Market opportunity, usability, sustainability is also important part. So please take care of those things. Reusability is important. Reusability in terms of if that is a library, we can reuse that library. How easily we can reuse. If it is an application, how we can white label, or how we can make a licensing product or something like that. So that is important. Presentation is important definitely, because that's how we will come to know what exactly you have developed and product demo. So this is it. One more point is there will be peer judging. So all teams will judge each other, and then Vipul, Jigna, Manish and myself will also judge. Hetal. So 5 of us will also look at your ideas and judge you. So it will be equal weightage. So you guys will judge each other. So please take care of that. Right? Yes, this it's here only. Or I'll share, that's not a problem. Right? Anything else? Any questions?
Yeah, one question, like if company decides that some idea is innovative and all, build a product on that. Then with that idea, how the person will get the copyrights only for.
So what you're doing is right now is part of the company, right? So you will get recognition inside the company that you helped build it, but whatever happens within the company happens to it happens as an IP of the company. Any other questions?
Manish, we will register the patent.
We will register a patent. If we do happen to register a patent goes in the person who innovated
Yes.
it goes in their name, right? So that's the recognition part I talked about. Okay, so we are all set? All right, let's go.
Right, guys. So